Hi fam, Josawa here again with another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can basically grow your small account. Okay, how to basically grow your small account, whether you have $10, $20, $30. The mistake which you guys are basically making, all right, I'm going to mention all the mistake why, like, basically you always deposit what, $10, $20. At the end of the day, you increase the money up to like what, $30, $40, and you just blow up the account. These are some of the mistake. Currently, just trying to take this $10 to as high as possible. So this is how I basically trade what my small account. Okay, this account is real. Okay, you can see this is real account. So now, one of the main reason why you blow up your account is like what, you are using high leverage. What is leverage? Leverage is the amount of money that is being borrowed to you by your broker. If you want to use the broker which I'm using, you can kindly check the first link in the description of this video. All right, try to just create and verify your account. When you do that, reach me by Instagram at Joseph Say Concept for you to join my signal community where I drop what signals. Okay, so now you need to use what basic leverage, not too high, because why, the money is not your fund is not too much, and you must also try to use high. Don't use like high leverage, but don't use low leverage. What do I mean by this? Don't get confused. The minimum what I would advise is 1:2,000. Yes. Why 1:2,000? If you basically can say, you are seeing my margin. The margin is the amount of money which you put into what, a trade. All right. Now, basically I'm trading with 0.01. Let's say now, out of like what, $100, I'm only going to put 1.37 cents. Okay, out of what, my money. So out of the $10, I'm only going to put what, 1.37. So which means I have remaining cash, which is called a free margin, to open other positions. Okay, so if you want to grow your small account and you are using the broker which I'm using, 1:2,000, you can basically go ahead and set that in what, your brokerage account. Okay, you are going to set that. If you have not checked my what, MT5 MT4 playlist, you are going to basically know how to set that. So leverage is one. The second one is what, like what, your additional adding of position. Okay, which is called in trading stacking. What do we mean by stacking? Stacking is where you add multiple positions. Now with this my $10 account, I can't be adding a lot of position. I can't be opening what, lots, big lot sizes. You might notice like now I'm in profit of what, $23 out of what, $10, right? So in this one, I'm not going to add. I'm trading what, BTC. So this is the chart. What I basically do, how I was able to get this is what, I start with what, top down analysis. Okay, top down analysis. Now what is top down analysis? You analyzing from higher time frame. So you see price move from here. Okay, and what happened again? Price drop. Price drop. So I know if price drops from here, okay, what is going to happen is going to drop up to what, this region. Okay, then when it reaches this region, which is what, our support level. Yeah, so this is what I just did. Okay, our support level. So, and I just forget about this one. Now when the support what was broken, basically I was expecting what, a retest for what, for price to come here. All right, price will basically come here and reverse to the downside. However, we have what, it's moved back to what, this support level, and this is where you notice what, I entered. Okay, this is where you are saying what, my entry, this buy 0.01. Now you might also want to notice something. I'm using very what, small lot size. Yes, 0.01, because why, this is what, a small account. This is what, a small account. I can't basically open 0.02, 0.03. I want to give the what, trade space for it to play out. You need to give this what, trade space to play out. Okay, so and after you have basically, now the market is what, moving. This is the H4. However, if you go to the H1, you are seeing what happened there. You see the market dropped and what, it's basically what's moving. You see from here. So what, this support zone was what expected. Okay, now if you are what, a complete beginner, you might see this is a breakout and you want to what, enter for a sell. When you enter for a sell, what is going to happen? The market now reverse and pump to the upside for a buy, which means you are going to what, lose your money. So if you basically what, want to grow your small account, what I'll encourage you is like what, avoid opening multiple position. It's going to take you like maybe 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, the case might be. But it is good for you to what, exercise patience, allow the trade to play out. Now, for example, if I want to add another position, what I will basically do is like I can now open again. 0.01. Okay, because this is what the minimum what lot size we have, 0.01. Okay, 0.01. So this is what the lot size that we basically what have. But the mistake now, which you are going to do as a beginner, you are saying like the market is what trending. Okay, the market is what pumping to the upside. You are going to now open this market is going up. You are now going to open what, instead of open 0.01, you open 0.02, or you open big lot size. So let's say we have two open position now. What is going to happen? The second position which we have opened, which is what, 0.1 as an example, or 0.03, let's say 0.03. Whenever you make a loss, if the market is reversing, you make a loss from the 0.03, it's going to affect what, the loss is going to affect the winning trade, which is what, this 23.72, this profit you are currently making. So if I'm going to grow this account, let's say from $10 to what, $100 or 200 or 300, I want to go slowly. So what I will basically do is I'll just come toward the M30. All right. So now what I'm expecting is what, for Bitcoin price to go up to this particular zone, this zone. Okay, price might pump up towards 59,000. Currently it's 57,000. All right, it might even go upwards to this particular zone. This is what, key what zone. Okay, this is what, key zone. So I'm expecting price to what, move here. But now you need to what, find a place where you're going to what, stack in, where you're going to add another position. And when you're adding another position, the lot size, keep note to the lot size. You can see the market is what, trending, right? You must keep what, attention to what, your lot size. So now you see, this is for the 30-minute time frame. Which structure are you seeing here? You are seeing what, a bullish structure, right? We are seeing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So you see, this is what, our trend line. Okay, this is what, our trend line. So you must draw what, a solid confirmed trend line, because any mistake with the trend line, you are going to lose money. See, it has been expected what, the trend line have been expected here once, twice. Okay, we have 2 times. Okay, we have what, another one again, which is what, 3 times. Okay, so now we have what, another one again, which is what, 4 times. This trend line have been expected. So you see, like this zone is what, a key what zone. So this is what, a key what, support zone when you're basically using trend line. So this is going to be the support zone. Okay, if you have not watched my trend line tutorial, make sure you watch my trend line tutorial. So now you want to basically trade with the trend, you don't want to go against the trend. So you see, when the market what, dropped here, the market drop at this particular level, you see, but when it reaches this zone, what happened? It moved back up. So now we are forming what, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So this is what, a bullish market structure. This is to show you that what, the buyers are in control of the market. Okay, the buyers are in control of the market. So in this kind of market, what do you want to go for? You want to go for what, you want to basically go for what, a buy trade. Okay, so now if I want to basically add in this position, I'll add what, just look now when what I will do. You come to trade, you what, the lot size is going to be 0.01. You enter what, buy. All right, so now you see we are currently in a loss. The loss of what, this second trade is going to affect the profit that you are making in what, the first trade. It's going to affect the profit you are making in the first trade. So now, why did I add position here? Because what, I have sufficient what, free margin. You are saying free margin. Free margin is what, the amount of money that you have to open other position. So you see my margin level is over what, 1,247.88. So which means I am safe. This trade is what, very healthy. I have what, room to do what mistake. The market can reverse and other stuff. Okay, so you see the market is like what, make. Now let's go to the chart so you guys can see. This is what, my entry. This line you are seeing here is what, my entry. So when price move up this particular area, then what, we are going to be in profit. So you can see the difference between what, the difference between my first entry and my second entry. You might say, but this market is what, you can stack. Yes, but if you are going a small account, any single mistake, Bitcoin is very volatile. Any single what, reversal is going to what, blow the account. Why did I basically enter from the 30-minute time frame? You are seeing here This is what my snapper entry strategy. So price have dropped toward this 50 level. Okay, so which means price is what there is possibility of what you can see a reversal to the upside again. Market was dropping, now you see this V reversal here where the arrow is pointing. So which means like what the buyers are in full control of what the market. So this is going to pump to the upside. Okay, this is going to what pump toward the upside. Hope you guys are understanding this. It's going to pump what to the upside. So you see, right? We are now what? So this is how what you stack. So if I want to take this $10 now to what $100 within one day, it is possible. Yes, it is what very very possible. But the mistake you are going to do while you blow your account, you have opened the first trade with 0.01 and let's say 0.1. Okay, then the second trade is going to be 0.2, 0.3. When you are stacking, the first trade you are going to open should have the high lot. Okay, and after when you are adding more position, you want to what decrease the lot, because even if it's what a trending market like this, which is what a trending market, if the trade is going to reverse now, it's going to what make me run at what loss. If the trade is going to what reverse, the market reverses, it's going to make me what run at loss. All right, so you see I entered here. If I was going to trade like without like flipping, or this was going to be my second entry. Yeah, this was going to be what my second entry. This was going to be what another second entry for me. Then my third entry was going to be if I was like get it to stack in full. This was going to be what my third entry. All right, these zones are going to be what my third entry. So you can basically see my first entry was from here. You see, my first entry was from here, and what the market expected it. So this was going to be what my second entry. So now you basically see, what did you notice? I entered here. The trend line was here. I entered here again. I basically what entered here. Okay, then if I want to do my next entry, it's going to be here again. What did you notice? Now when we say a trend line is what a straight line that connects to what two tops or bottom. For you to basically know like this trend line is legit, you need to have what the third confirmation, which is what the third one. So this is the first, second, and this is the third one here. Okay, which means like what BTC is what pumping to the upside. You can basically see, let's see if the trade is in profit. You can basically see, right, we are in profit. So it is better for you to exercise patience, go your account very slowly, than what to just blow the account like this. You don't need to open what multiple position at once. You stack what very slowly. For example, let's say the first trade was what one standard, the second one can be 0.9, the third one can be 0.7, 0.8, 0.6. The more you are stacking, the more you are adding more trade, the more you tend to what reduce what your lots, because any what single mistake is going to affect what the profits which you are making from what your initial trade. Hope you guys are understanding, right? So if you notice now minus 0.37 is going to affect what the profit which I'm making from this one. But you need to still allow what give the trade what space to play out. You need to allow the trade to what play out. So guys, in summary, okay, if you want to grow your account after you have deposited what your $10, $20, $30, $40, okay, the first thing you need to do is like select leverage of 1:2,000. Okay, why are you paying 1:2,000? Because what you don't want a very high margin. If you basically what select what less leverage 1:100, 1:200, you are going to pay high margin. Sometimes you are not even going to be able to open 0.01. Okay, so now I'm using 1:2,000. The margin is what 2.80. So for just the two trades, 0.02. All right, I'm paying 2.80 cents. Otherwise, if I was using what 1:100, I'm going to pay more, which means my $10 is not going to be able to open what that trade. So you select for the leverage 1:2,000. Okay, the second thing which you basically want to do is like you want to avoid what trading volatile pairs. What are these volatile pairs, which I will basically do the best pairs for beginners to trade? I will do an upcoming tutorial. Ensure you subscribe if you have not subscribed, like this video, share this video to others. If you have any question, please don't hesitate, drop them in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond within 24 hours. I currently have registration is currently ongoing for my next 1 month 6 batch mentorship, both for crypto, forex, and synthetic indices. If you are interested, reach me by Instagram at Joseph Say Concept or Facebook. All right, my accounts are verified. Okay, you are going to see the blue tick. If you don't have a blue tick, then that's not me. I'll never ask you to send me money, all right, directly and all that. So reach me by Instagram, and after which we are going to talk. The fee is what $50. The free training is over. All right, So guys, this is basically it. You think about what your leverage 1:2000. Don't add multiple position. The lot size, make sure the first trade is going to have what the high loss. So like the more you are adding position, the more you are going to what reduce. As you can basically see, our account is currently what pumping, right? Now we are in $27. From $10 we are going this what to $27. You see how the chart is going. All right, you basically see how the chart is going. If you go to the 15 minutes, you see how this chart is going. So where do we expect what? A reversal. We are expecting what? A reversal at this particular point. Yeah, if we are expecting any kind of form of reversal, we are expecting a reversal at this particular point. Guys, hope you are seeing. You see from what? My sniper entry strategy. You see, right? You basically see. So within the 15 level, the price was just clicked up toward the upside. Okay, so if you don't know about this sniper entry strategy, ensure you basically check my strategy playlist so you can basically understand. Okay, it's very easy. You just combine the RSI and the 34 moving average for you to get what? A perfect entry. And you also need to use what? Your knowledge you have in price action technical analysis. Okay, that is candlestick patterns. You talk about chart patterns and other factors as well. So guys, this is basically what I have for you in today's tutorial. If you find value in this video, it's going to make my day. If you subscribe, like this video, share this video to others. Okay, our recent trade is currently what? In 1.26 cents profit. All right, thanks a lot guys. I'm Josao from Sierra Leone, West Africa.